I'm gonna show you today. I'm gonna change the DE filter in this pool. This pool's about 50,000 gallons, something like that. First, I gotta go grab a tripod real quick, and something's kind of funny up in here. All right, guys. So welcome back. Unfortunately, it was too loud in that room or that little space where I couldn't do. You can't really hear me talking about the filter. But anyway, here is my filter. As you can see, it is pretty dirty. This is not what the filter is supposed to look like. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you what a nice clean filter is supposed to look like. We are going to fast forward through a lot of this stuff because we got a lot to cover. So the first thing that we need to do is drain this water so we can rinse off those grids. And we drain this water by turning off these valves here. These valves keep the water from the pool coming into the pit. That way it'll give us a chance to drain this. This one's a little stuck, so bear with me real quick. I eventually get it. There we go, we got it. And then from there we want to turn off the pump. But we turn off the pump, and then we close the output into the pool and into the heater, and then we open up the output back into the pit. We will need to recirculate water in the later part of the video. Then we also open up this secondary pump. That pump is used to pump out the rest of the filter media and pump the rest of the water out into the sewer. So yeah, this is actually my favorite part here, is rinsing this filter. It's actually a pretty satisfying part, and it's one of my favorite things to do about it. Well, you see all those nice clean grids. That's what they're supposed to look like. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so we're gonna continue cleaning the grids. We'll just continue pushing all this debris out of the grids, push it into the water and let the pump suck it out. Eventually I'll have to go back to the pump because all this debris will clog the pump. As you'll see here, I got to turn off the pump and get all the debris out of there and restart the pump, reprime it. While it does that, it gives me an opportunity to rinse the side walls, and yeah, just keep on doing my thing. Get inside the middle of the grids. Sometimes debris and leaves and seeds get stuck in there. I've seen a frog in there once. Some people have seen snakes in here, not very often. After I'm done cleaning the filter, I gotta fill it up with water. There's two ways I can do this. I can fill it up with the pool water, just open up the valves and let the water from the pool come back in. Or I can have just brand new water come in. And what I chose to do was have brand new water come in. I just opened up the spigot, filled up the pit, and we're gonna fast forward through this because it takes quite a bit. While the pit's filling up with water, I go grab my media, my filter media, and fill it up with about 9 scoops of perlite. According to my calculations, my DE filters requires about 10 scoops, but I do 9 heaping scoops. When I do that, it seems to work just right. Just be careful with this stuff. It does get in your nose, makes you cough a little bit, makes you sneeze a few times. It's not bad for you. It is just perlite. It's not gonna hurt you. So after we got the mixture in there, we're gonna let the pit filled up or get filled up. And then we're gonna turn on the main pump and recirculate this water in itself so that the grids get coated nice and evenly. As you can see, I got the water running, but it's not going back out to the pool just yet. We'll eventually open up the valve from the pump to go back out to the pool. And you'll see here, you'll notice here when I open up the valve, you'll see the water come back in. There you go. There's the water coming back from the pit. I open up the water. Oh, I showed this clip twice. And eventually, nice new clean water comes in. It gets filtered, and you can see how the nice new clean grids are supposed to look like. This is what a clean filter looks like. If you ever go to a public pool, or you have a pool with similar filter, you may want to take a look at their pool filter and make sure it looks like this. If it doesn't look like this, I wouldn't go and do it.
Well guys, that was it. It took about 30 minutes, and now we have a nice clean filter. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it's supposed to look like. See that? Nice clean white grids. And that'll last maybe a day. It'll last about a day. Yeah, it'll last about a day. I mean, there's so much debris and dust and stuff in this water and in the air. It gets even worse during rain. But it's pretty easy. And now my pool's gonna be nice and filtered. I gotta fill it up with a little more water. It's a little low at the moment. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.